everyone! Today we are going to make cookies with just 3 ingredients. So let's see the ingredients required. Chocolate cake mix, 2 eggs, and the third ingredient is 100 grams of butter. First, you are going to add the butter into the bowl. Add both the eggs next. Mix both the ingredients well. Use a whisk to mix well. Next, add the chocolate cake mix. Mix it properly. And this is the consistency we need. Bring in your baking tray. First, you are going to make small balls and then place it on the tray. Don't forget to leave space and also don't flatten them. Bake the cookies at 170 Celsius and you are going to bake it for 10 minutes. Leave the cookies to cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. And our easy and tasty cookies are ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.